In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger something went wrong in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now on this page you will find every single app you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds and after that scroll until you find the messenger right here and then click on it like this. Click on force stop to stop it in the background, and after that go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back and then click on data usage and disable the roaming data and make sure that those three options are enabled. Go back again and now click on the storage or the internal storage. Right here you will find the total storage that you have inside the app. All what you want to do is clear all these options. Click on clear data and clear cache. After that, go back to the home page and turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.